Hi there everyone, Paul Daniels here, and well, this is just an intro to the new live channel that we're going to have, because I've discovered that due to the way YouTube works, having live stream videos actually is a detriment to my main channel if I want to get the channel to grow, because YouTube keeps feeding the live channels into new people, and they're not really ready to sit there and watch some crusty old dude yabber on for hours and hours and having stalls in his voice. And then having strange opinions and all the other stuff and building stuff, the same stuff, over and over and over again. So, we're now going to have a live channel where we do all that for the people who can tolerate anything interesting, such as exploding components or a unique build or maybe a unique repair. We'll edit that and put it into the main channel. But for day-to-day stuff, live channels where it's going to be.